Hello friend, this is from Cavell Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 1000 liters model and 5000 liters model horizontal rim mixer for Argentina client, which is used in food grade material, powder material mixing industry. We designed a platform with ladders with 2 floors for this client. And the top one is 1000 model and the bottom one is 5000 liters model. Okay, now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. I would like to test the basic mixing function weight. First we go to the second floor to test the 1000 liters model. This is the ladder we designed. There it is. Also we equipped the weighting system. This is weight cells on the bottom for the position. For mixers we use the Siemens brand motor hard-tooth feed reducer. Material contact part we use stainless steel and nail polish. This is electricity cabinet. We designed a PLC system and mechanical buttons control combination type. Okay. First, I would like to start it. We can make it mixing on, mixing stop, and speed control, speed up, speed down. Mixing on, off, speed up, speed down. This is for the control wall. We equipped the charging system for the top mixer, connected with down position mixer, 5000 liters. Now the speed is 24 shaft speed. Then I would like to test the max speed. Also we can operate here. There it is, this is the max speed, 46. Now mixer working stable. This is top situation. I open the top lid easily with a pneumatic stick. This is protection net. Same design on the right part. Blades working stable. This is a protection sensor. Once the net removed, the mixer will stop for safety consideration. So just a simple test for it. Next video I would like to test the bigger one for 5000 liters model. Thanks for watching.